make a Gus video in a minute. You never know where you'll find him in the yard. He's a good boy, though. Can't believe you've been here so long now, Gus. Been a long time, buddy. I'm glad you feel safe. The other two geese here are nice to you. They like you. They know you can't see it all. One of them's only blind out of one eye. The other one limped, but now it's healed, and I think it's starting to bond to half and half, so it's probably going to stay around just because half and half can't see very good, and I think one of his wings is kind of broke to where he can't really fly. He can kind of glide along the ground and run, fly on the ground, I guess, if you've seen geese do that, but he can't really fly. And the other one's kind of bonded to it, but they're both really nice to Gus. Lord, I hope they don't have babies here. So all it needs a bunch of stinky baby geese running around, pooping on everything. You guys aren't too bad. Especially about Gus. He's such a good boy. Yeah, he will get that chest. Rub that head and neck. That feels good, don't it, buddy? Gus, good boy. He's a good goose.